Hey y'all, this is Shell, Michelle, Shelly Poo, whatever you guys want to call me. I'm here to do a video today talking about the inverted triangle body shape. Well, you guys know I love my body. There's no shame in my game, but over the years I have learned how to dress my body to make me feel more comfortable and look a little bit more proportionate in my shape size, because with the inverted triangle body shape you start off with the wider shoulders, and then you kind of go in at the hips and the waist, and it gets smaller and smaller as you go down to your legs. So today I opted for this pink ensemble, this pink dress, or A-line dress. An A-line dress usually goes in at the waistline to kind of make your waistline appear smaller, and it comes out at the hips to give the appearance of hips when you actually don't have hips. So I wore this today also in the honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I haven't been personally affected, but I have family and friends that have been affected, and you guys are my sheroes. So I just wanted to shout all the breast cancer survivors and those that have gone on and still fighting the good fight. We are praying for you guys, and we know that all things will be well. But anyways, like I said, I chose this pink ensemble today to celebrate Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And it has a cinched in waist like I've worn before. I've got the puffy sleeves, which kind of are no for people with the inverted triangle because we have broad shoulders. But, I was like, I'm going to go ahead with it because it's flowy. I like things that are flowy. And then I like that it has a little bit of a turtleneck to it, because I really have a short neck, but sometimes having a turtleneck gives you the appearance of a more elongated neck. So that's why I opted for this. But I found this at a thrift store for like $6. So guys, do not sleep on thrift stores, because you can find some really good deals. Somebody else's trash can be your treasure. And I paired it with a pair of leopard print wedges to complete my outfit. So I hope you guys like it. And like I said, I love that it has pockets. I love that. And I just wanted to show you guys my outfit for today. You guys have a blessed day, and continue to like, follow, and share. Thank you. Have a blessed day.
I'm busy loving myself, putting me first.
360 for you guys.
Made up my mind.